Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay using Google Wallet, step by step. So the tutorial today is how to make a payment with Google Wallet. First, unlock your phone and make sure NFC is turned on. NFC is required for contactless payments, and it's usually enabled by default on most Android devices. Next, hold the back of your phone close to the payment terminal. Keep it there for a few seconds while the payment processes. Wait for the payment to complete. You'll see a blue check mark appear on your screen when the payment is successful. If the terminal requires it, enter your PIN code or sign the receipt to finish the transaction. You can also use Google Wallet for online and in-app purchases. In apps like Uber, Airbnb, or when shopping online, look for the Google Pay button at checkout. If the merchant accepts it, tap that button to complete your payment using Google Wallet. And that's it. That's how you pay using Google Wallet. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Google Wallet and Android tutorials, and leave a comment below if you want to see another quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.